Hello, dreamers! Today we're going to paint a winter forest, a whimsical winter forest, a very small painting. And we're going to use this different saturation of colors to differentiate the distance of the trees to give the painting depth. And for this painting, we're going to use a rather complementary color of yellow versus blue and purple to give vibrancy. First, we draw the outline and start the first layer of ambient background color, and notice how washed out the colors are. And just lay down where every color should be. And now the background color is done. All I have to do is dry them up and start the second layer. And now you see how washed out the color yellows are for the distant trees. And all I'm doing is to add very faint color from the distance, and there is a gradient from yellow in the center to purple and blue on the side. And I try to always change color with every tree or even part of the tree when I'm painting these repetitive themes such as trees, because that's the beauty of watercolor, is the color is supposed to be fluid in watercolor. Just keep dabbing different colors and mix it up so that the trees look like they're constantly flashing in light and changing colors. Now, as you see, as the tree come closer towards us, I start to add in more saturations. And the saturation is basically the original color of the paint. So there will be less water and more paint as the trees come closer to us. And again, constantly changing colors in every tree and painting. And as we paint trees, we have to be aware that the branches of the trees are thin and long, and then the joint of the trees are thick and stubby. So make sure that when you paint branches, do not make the branches all the same thickness. And now use some very washed out watercolor to give the tree shadows from the sunlight, and outline the bank of the river. Now we're going to paint the gradient of the river, and of course this is a whimsical painting, so we're going to use a very whimsical gradient from yellow to dark blue. And as we paint, we are very aware that even the river should never stay the same color or the same saturation throughout. And now I have this paper airplane for fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Airplane. And now that looks like a children's storybook. And now my favorite part is adding in the snow flakes with opaque white ink. Splash, and then make sure that when we want smaller white dots, we get rid of some of the water in there. I hope you like this painting. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.